This is a Saberforge Stalwart Eco-Saber, and this is from the very budget-friendly Eco-Saber line that Saberforge offers, but the specific one that I have here is actually empty, and if you buy this from Saberforge directly, they don't sell these hilts empty, so they actually only sell it with either budget sound or with a Profi upgrade. So the Profi saber means it would be a NeoPixel saber, so a little bit fancier there. Now this is still a CNC machined aluminum construction, and this one is the standard finish, so two-tone metallic silver with some black accents throughout. Very balanced in the kind of color scheme that we have here. Now at the very top we've got these window slots, so they have the kind of curved ends to them, that stadium shape, and they're on the front face of the hilt, and then they're also on the rear of the hilt. Now we've got two choke points kind of above the switch section, so that's good for maneuverability and such and control. And then here's the switch section. Now it is empty since this is an empty hilt. And then this grip section in the lower part of the hilt is kind of interesting. It's these finger grips. So we've got 7 finger grips here, and I think Saberforge Nova, that hilt, also has kind of a similar grip section. But we've got some different detailing here, so groove, but then these finger grooves. And then finally there's the pommel area, and it's vented, of course. Now this is actually a one-piece construction, so there's no removable pommel on this hilt. It kind of looks like there could be, right? Because there's this little tiny groove that looks a little bit like, some lightsabers out there that would kind of indicate that this is a piece that separates, but on this hilt that's not the case. It's kind of like those pants that you can get that have like a fake pocket in the back, maybe, I don't know. But it's real neat how there's like a little bit of a taper before you get this sort of knob shape for the pommel area on the bottom. So that's just kind of a summary of this hilt. It does measure 10.5 inches long, so it's full size, but it's not like, a lot of hilts are maybe like 12 inches long or so it can like maybe seem a little bit shorter. Now the diameter is about 1.35 inches, and it's somewhat slimmed design, and it does accept a 1-inch diameter blade, which is quite standard. So anyway, this is a look at a Saberforge Stalwart Eco-Saber, and this is actually an empty hilt, but if you bought this from Saberforge, you would get the one installed with sound. So feel free to comment below.